Hi all, welcome to Creations Unlimited. Today I'll be showing you how to make these marigold flowers using a polythene bag. These are washable flowers. I am going to make them using this polythene bag. Polythene bags are colored also. If you are using the colored bag, then also fine. But today I will be using the transparent bag. I am not using this originally colored bag. I am not using. I am using the transparent polythene bag. For that you will need acrylic color. For giving acrylic color, either you can use a sponge or you can use a brush. I am taking a brush for coloring this bag. Let us cut the base of our bag. Even the handles we will cut because we need to paint the bag. The handles are not waste. We can use the handles for making petals. I will show you later on how to make use of the handles. How to make use of leftover things I will show you in the end of the video. First let us color this big sheet. This is an acrylic color. Give the acrylic color evenly all over the bag. This color will need a very less time for drying. Within half an hour it will dry. 15-20 minutes are also enough. It depends on the weather condition. How is the temperature in your place? It depends on that. This is how the sheet is colored. It will take little time for drying. So I will take this sheet which I have colored before. Fold it into half. We want to make marigold flower. So the size of flower will be around 3 inches. So I am taking this circle and I am tracing it on the polythene sheet. Its diameter is 3 inches. We need 12 petals. So I will be folding the plastic sheet so that I will get 12 layers of plastic. Staple it in the center and cut the circle out. Because we have stapled it in the center, the circle will get cut easily without disturbing the layers. Now draw one more circle in the center. The smaller circle diameter which is in the center, it is of 2 cm diameter. One more stapler pin you can add in a cross direction. Now start cutting the petals. The petals should not be very fat. Make thin petals, half centimeter petal from outer circle. If you make thin petals, the flower looks natural. Go till the inner circle, don't cross the inner circle. Don't go very close to the stapler pin. This way we have cut all the 12 layers of plastic. Now I am separating it. One by one layer we should separate. While separating we should be little careful because if we do it little harshly, then petals will get removed from the stapler pin. So be little careful. When you separate one layer, you have to make a bunch of it and squeeze it a bit. After finishing of putting right side layer together, then start with the left side layer. Same way, separate the layer and bunch it together and squeeze it a little bit. We have to do it alternately, one time on the right side, one time on the left side. We are separating all the 12 layers. If 1 or 2 layers you can't separate, that's fine, not a problem. More you separate, more dense the flower will look. If you don't separate the layer, if you take all the layers on one side, then the flower will look flat. We are giving a 3D look to our flower. That is how the marigold flower looks like. After finishing separation, then roll the flower like laddus. This is how it will become a circle. Now let us add a stem to this flower. Take a plastic straw. This is a tape which we use for flower making purpose. If you don't have this type of tape, then you can take satin ribbon or any other green color thing to cover. If your straw is already dark green color, then no need to cover it with anything. Okay, here I have covered the straw. Now this straw will act as a stem for this flower. With the help of wool and needle, make a hole on the flower and then put this straw piece in it. This way you can make the garland for your door, like for your door hanging, like this for the decoration. You can even make a bunch of flowers. For that we need to add a stem to it. Make one hole on the flower with the help of needle. Take a wire, flower making wire, insert the wire in it, and once it comes out from the other side, then make one more hole again and insert it back. Then twist it and close the loop. These tiny buds are also made from the polythene bag only. For that we will be using the leftover polythene bag which is colored. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Also share it with your friends. We will also need 1.5 inches square piece. In that put this leftover material and make a bun. With the thread close that. Then add this green tape to it and attach it to the wire. This tape already has glue. If your tape doesn't have glue, then please add the glue. Like this you have to add one by one below the other, and get the bunch of buds. And do try making all the things which I show in my video. You can put it in the flower vase, or you can make garland like how it is on the back of my wall. These all are washable flowers. If any dust it will catch, you can rinse it off. The color doesn't go. Acrylic color will stay on it. Only the dust will rinse off. How did you like the video? Please comment. So bye for now. See you soon.